Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to survive the Gulag in COD Warzone Mobile. Surviving the Gulag in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile can be a daunting challenge, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can increase your chance of making it out alive. Here's what you're going to do. Upon entering the Gulag, take a moment to breathe and assess your surroundings. Look for any immediate threats, such as an enemy player, incoming projectiles. Keep an eye on your opponent movements and behavior. This can give you valuable insight into their strategy and help you anticipate their next move. Use the various structures and obstacles in Gulag to your advantage. Stay behind cover as much as possible to minimize your exposure to enemy fire. Pay close attention to the sound of footsteps, gunfire, and other audio cues. This can help you pinpoint the location of your opponent and react accordingly. If you're playing in a squad, communicate with your teammates to coordinate your efforts. Share information about your opponent's location and strategy to increase your chances of success. Aim for the head to maximize damage and increase your chances of securing a kill. Take your time to line up your shots carefully, rather than spraying and praying. Keep the track of your ammunition and reload when it's safe to do so. Running out of ammo in the middle of a firefight can leave you vulnerable to attack. Avoid staying in one place for too long, as this makes you an easy target for an enemy player. Keep moving and change position frequently to keep your opponent guessing. If you have any equipment, such as grenades or flashbangs, use them strategically to gain the upper hand in battle. Just be mindful of your surroundings to avoid injuring yourself. Maintain your focus and concentration throughout the match. Tunnel vision can be your downfall in the Gulag, so stay alert and aware of your surroundings at all times. If you don't succeed in the Gulag, don't get discouraged. Instead, take note of what went wrong and use it a learning opportunity for future matches. Maintain a positive attitude and believe in your ability to succeed. A positive mindset can go a long way in helping you overcome challenges and achieve victory in the Gulag. And that's how to survive the Gulag in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.